State Bank of Hyderabad was having all its general managers in only the gun foundry office. So we thought we will have more GMs nearer the place of operations with the twin purpose of bringing the bank closer to the customer and also expediting the grievance redressal mechanism. Because if somebody has a complaint and if he has a nearby top executive, he can meet and get the grievance redress. With that aim, we have opened 5 general managers' offices in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Mumbai, Delhi and Bangalore. So today marks the inauguration of our general manager's office here in Hyderabad, and we hope this experiment will succeed because powers have been given to the GM's offices for sanction of loans. People need not wait for the head office to sanction loans. Enough powers have been delegated for various other purposes also, so that I think the customers would be benefited and they will be happier with SBH services. E-learning enables the staff, the officers as well as the staff, to learn from their homes or from wherever they are at their convenience. Because today we have close to 16,000 employees in offices. Training them in our own training centers becomes almost impossible. The aim is to give at least one training to them every year so that they become experts in their fields, they become up to date. But training even once a year becomes impossible with the kind of constraints on infrastructure, on the availability of staff at various times. So this year e-learning has been attempted to take learning to them wherever they are. This will enable them to update their knowledge, update their skills. We are putting in the e-learning portal close to 80 lessons now. They can complete each lesson, take a test, then get a certificate of completion, which will be entered in their service records, which is an advantage for them. And as far as the bank is concerned, we know who has been trained in what, and it will enable us to post the right people in the right jobs. Expansion plans, yes, our immediate goal is to open the 1000th branch in Andhra Pradesh, which will come up in Tiruchanur. We have right now 971 branches in Andhra Pradesh. So opening these 29 branches will happen during the current year. In addition, we will be opening some branches in other parts of the country also. So these 3 months I expect to open about 50 branches. We operate on the State Bank of India's platform. And over the past 9 months, from April to December, our transactions on these platforms have increased by about 71%. We hope by the time the year ends, we will have 100% growth as compared to last year.